A storm is coming in.
A giant nut boom on your car.
I better get away from that tree.
Hey, by the way, my dog.
Oh my God, sticks are falling.
Get in the car.
Get in the car. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Adventurers. Today we are going to be going to the same spot where we found the $5 and a snorkel. I wonder if anybody else dropped anything. If I sound a little congested, it's because I have a respiratory infection. So I don't know how I got it, but now I'm going to be doing some snorkeling at the river. I love doing that. And I wonder what we're going to find. We're going to be doing some fishing, but you know, let the kids do a little bit of fishing first, and then we'll do some swimming and stuff, see what we can find. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Okay, everyone, we're back here at the river where we went last time, where we found the $5 and all the awesome cool stuff. And today we're gonna see what we can find, and I'm pretty excited.
Everybody's saying that I lost my mind, but I ain't never ever given up this time. 'Cause everybody knows that I've been on the grind, but I ain't never ever given up this time. Up this time. Up.
Hey, what else is with the stash? Oh boy. Not ocean.
I'm reading the river. Let's leave it out.
Okay, update. This is what we found. We found a horse head, which is weird, and a knife. Pretty freaking cool, sharp too. So, but yeah, that's what we got so far.
Did you just now slam it?
Yeah. Okay, we gotta call it a quits. A storm is coming in. Oh my gosh.
Giant nut, boom, on your car.
I better get away from that tree.
Hey, by the way, my dog.
Oh my God, sticks are falling.
Get in the car.
Get in the car. Bye guys.
Bye. Where we going?
Bye.
Bye.
Oh my gosh.
Oh God.
Okay, they made it home. We had to end this video shortly. We could not find any more stuff. I've searched and searched and searched. Okay, I did find that cool knife. That's really good, but it is raining and pouring.
If you don't see it, then it must be knowing that it's morning, but it wasn't. It's raining.
Yeah, it's raining bad now. So Roxanne, buckle up. And we're gonna go ahead and go, guys.